Hey guys, yeah, I know it's like been forever since I've done a YouTube video, but let's just like ignore the fact that I said I'd be doing weekly videos like 2 months ago and haven't posted since. This is my intro because I didn't want to film an intro because I'm so awkward on camera, and these are just videos from my Instagram at Slime Obsidian. Check it out, even though you probably came from there. So today I'm going to be doing a souffle slime tutorial, and I thought that'd be like a super fun one because I really like making souffle slimes, and they're really easy, and you don't really need that many ingredients, and they're super satisfying and really fun to customize, and for Instagram, I don't know, they're fun. So let's get into that. So really easy, you're just going to need a bowl, a 4-ounce bottle of glue all, shaving cream, dye, an 8-ounce container, clear is best, and a spatula. For the activator, I use a half tablespoon of borax to 1 cup of water and just dissolve it in it. You definitely kind of want a little stronger of an activator for this, just because you want the slime to be like really overactivated and like hard. So do that, make that activator really easy, set it aside for when we're ready to activate the slime. Also, this music is like serene af, so just putting that out there. I don't know, I like this music. Okay, now you're gonna empty out the bottle of glue all, and glue all is like important, like don't do school glue all you need. So do glue all, empty out like 3 to 4 times as much shaving cream that you use of glue all. So like if you're using half a cup of glue all, use like 2 cups of shaving cream. You want a lot of shaving cream to the point where you like think it's shaving cream and there's no glue in it. That just makes it stand up and not droop down when you put it in the container. Okay, yeah, so just those 2 ingredients, and then you're just gonna go in with like your activator. I use like a half tablespoon at a time, but you don't have to be that careful because like you want it to be like really over activated, and it's gonna take a good amount of activator because it's literally just gonna tear and like be disgusting for like a bit until it like fully comes together. Your hands you should just go in with, and it'll be messy, but it's worth it for like the awesome souffle slime. So yeah, just take it out and knead it. This still needed a little more activator, so like after off camera I did add more. I forgot to film. But you really want it to be like tough as possible, just so that it doesn't droop down and lose its like spherical top on the souffle. Next, you're gonna want to break off a little piece of it, like I don't know, super small, like a tablespoon worth, and then dye it whatever color you want. This is gonna be for the bottom, so like it makes an ombre effect with the white on top. You don't have to do this. This is obviously like totally optional, but it makes it really fun. I don't know, a cool way to customize it. So I did like a teal color, and then I also did like a pink one off camera, just extra, because I did the same thing, just with pink bottom. So do that, put it at the bottom. You don't really have to press it down that much, just let it sit. And then take the rest of it, and you're going to want to like put it in your hand, like cup your hand, put it on your hand, and then use your thumb to like push it up. And almost just make it as round as possible so that when you put it in, it's like smooth on top. And then I use a toothpick just to like push down the edges into the slime so that it's not over the edges and it's just all tucked in. I recommend letting them sit for like 24 hours at least, just so that they can like become as firm on top, so that when you like add glitter, glue on top to like decorate it, like so, it doesn't like affect it at all. So yeah, you can really customize it any way you want. I used glitter, and to make it like not fall off, just add a little bit of clear glue on top and spread it around. Then add whatever glitter you want. I used a hollow and like these purple stars. Here's them after they are done. I really love how these look. I'm really happy with how they came out. They kept their shape very well when I let them sit out, and the glitter looks really cool on them. That's basically it for the tutorial. I'm gonna put the video and stop talking of me like pressing them, so yeah. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. It was a lot of fun to make, and I want to make more videos, so just let me know what else you want to see. I'm going to try and post weekly. It would just, I know I made that promise like a bajillion times, but I really want to try and do more videos. I really enjoy editing, and I want to improve, and definitely something I want to work on, so just let me know what I can improve on. Make sure if you like this video to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It would help me a ton and really encourage me to continue posting. So yeah, that was it. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoyed it.